There is never a dull week in entertainment, or better yet, there's never a dull week in Jamaica. So let's get right into the Intense 5. Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Don't play with lions, like end of story. I just hope he's recovering well and has learned his lesson, that's all. Oh my God. I think everyone is still talking about the very stylish funeral for Ringo. Yes, Ringo the dog. He apparently was a very loyal member of the family, and they said he deserved a real send-off. Rest in peace, Ringo. So after the baby shower, all the pics, etc., little Addy wasn't the daddy. My boy. He said he did a DNA test recently to confirm. Cha-cha. Skilly and Khalid. What are they whopping up in the studio? Oh my goodness. So it was all over Instagram this week. Someone just needs to give Khalid a Jamaica passport and just done. Like, done it this so. And finally holding the spot this week, Skeng versus airport police. It's being said that Skeng refused to part with a bottle of bleaching cream before boarding a flight. Words were thrown, police was called, pepper spray was used, oh my goodness. And Skeng didn't make the flight. His lawyer says it's all cleared up though, and he can fly soon. But that's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in all that's good in entertainment.